Hello, everyone. In today's fast-paced, data-driven world, continuous database availability is critical for businesses to maintain seamless operations and high performance. Traditional database reorganization methods often require downtime, impacting service availability and user experience. BMC AMI Online Reorg for IMS introduces the online Defrag feature, a breakthrough in database management, enabling reorganization with zero downtime. Let's proceed with the overview of Online Defrag. The Online Defrag feature stands out by allowing IMS databases to be reorganized while remaining online and accessible. This innovation addresses performance issues caused by record fragmentation without interrupting database operations. Key benefits include no downtime. Databases remain fully operational during the reorganization process. Minimal user interaction. The process is automated, reducing the need for manual intervention. Concurrent updates. Updates can continue to occur without disruption. Let's understand how Online Defrag works with the help of an example. The below figure shows a record that spans 5 database blocks. Defrag analysis indicates that the minimum number of blocks that the record requires is 3. So, this record could be recommended for reorganization. After the reorganization, the record will be relocated to 3 adjacent target blocks. So, accessing this record will require fewer input-outputs and increased database performance. There were some challenges which IMS DBAs used to face while using Online Defrag tool like Online Defrag was not available in the BMC AMI Database Advisor for IMS. PSBs had to be manually provided in the Defrag JCL. There were many inputs to the Defrag JCL which had to be decided. Analysis couldn't be run on multiple databases, and there was no dashboard available to show the savings from the Defrag. So, a significant number of modifications were done to this tool where Batch and BMC AMI Database Advisor for IMS-related improvements have been done. In Batch, a summary of the minimum block improvement that is MBI will come up in BMC MSG and will show us how much percentage of the records can be improved by a particular block number. This has been explained below with an example where the summary shows out of 124 records analyzed, 27 records can be improved by 1 block, 13 records by 2 blocks, and 1 record by 3 blocks, and Defrag recommendation is given based upon the new calculations we have implemented. Also, a new code logic has been implemented to recommend Defrag based upon how many numbers of blocks can be saved by Defrag, and new message shows how many blocks were used and how many blocks will be required after Defrag and % of blocks saved. On the BMC AMI Database Advisor for IMS side, Defrag analysis has been added and can be run separately for a database or a partition or can be scheduled also. A new function Defainal has been created for automatic scheduling of Defrag analysis for single or multiple databases. Recons, database groups, databases can be activated or deactivated in JCL and report options to be picked up for Defrag analysis in the schedules. Also, a new exception along with a solution has been implemented for the databases that are recommended for Defrag in BMC AMI Database Advisor for IMS. Here you can see the exception and generate JCL solution for it. There are a few other enhancements also done to the Online Defrag tool like dynamic allocation of database datasets in Defrag analysis, so there will not be any need to manually provide those datasets in the JCL. Then, using CPC repositories to automatically save and load the restart keys in case of any shutdown or abend or any error. And, lastly, implementation of dynamic PSB options so that PSB keyword doesn't need to be manually provided in the Defrag JCL.